Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Salman Khan has a history of giving his fans the best surprises on the occasion of Eid every year, and last year he did the same with Bharat. Starring Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif in the lead, the Ali Abbas Zafar directorial hit the screens exactly today in 2019 and turned out to be an emotional yet perfect Eid for all the Bhai fans. Today the film completes 1 year on its first anniversary. We take you through the reasons why it is a must watch. Bharat starring Salman and Katrina was an official adaptation of a South Korean film, Ode to the Father. But the whole storyline was based around the events that took place in Indian history, from the emotional journey of migrant families from back in 1947 during India-Pakistan partition to the opening of the economy in 1991. Bharat's journey traces every important event that took place in history and how it affected his life. We get to see Salman in 5 different looks in each era for the first time, and that itself was one of the USPs of the film. Besides, the story had its heart in the right place. How Salman stepped into the shoes of Bharat, whose family gets torn apart due to the partition of India and Pakistan, and how one promise he makes to his father while parting from Pakistan keeps him alive throughout the time, and what is the one most heartwarming angles of the story. So, as the film clocks in 1 year, we give you 5 reasons why Salman and Katrina Starrer is a flick that you can binge on your family. Salman Khan as Bharat showcases the journey of a man and a nation together. Salman not only captures the emotional turmoil of a man separated from his father and sister due to partition perfectly, but also showcases how his life becomes committed to that one promise that he made to his dad of taking care of his family always. Bharat spans right from the character age 18 to 70. Hence we get to see Salman in 5 different looks through different eras. From a daredevil circus performer to a miner in Saudi Arabia to a sailor to a man in search of his father to an old guy, Salman manages to nail his art in all the eras perfectly. Katrina Kaif as Kumud Rana is a sight to behold. For the first time in a long time, Katrina is seen in a different avatar altogether in Bharat. As Kumud Rana, Katrina transforms into a feisty woman who ends up becoming a lifelong friend to Bharat. She is Bharat's love interest, but they never get married to each other except towards the end. Kumud is Bharat's rock all through the journey when he is in search of his dad, who he left in Pakistan with his sister at the time of partition. Her looks also change with the course of time, and she ages gracefully on the screen. From the young chief engineer to the middle-aged woman in love with Bharat to the head of the TV channel, Katrina nails her act as Kumud and manages to receive massive praises for it too. Besides, seeing her look gorgeous as ever on the screen is bound to leave you hooked. Salman and Katrina's adorable chemistry from a young couple to an old one. It has been proven every time that Katrina and Salman appear on the screen that they make for a fine pair. That he always manages to leave the audience in awe of their chemistry, and with Bharat we get to see the more mature side of it. From the initial love-hate to the sweet friendship as a boss and employee to a couple in love to the older duo who sticks by each other, Salman and Katrina as Bharat and Kumud take us through various stages of their relationship in the most enduring way. And in each of the phases, their chemistry has a different side too. Their mature love story surely was a delight to see on the screen and very different from the previous work together. Sunil Grover's show-stealing act as Vilaiti. One character whose impeccable sense of humor will leave you laughing in the Bharat is Vilaiti. He is Bharat Daga Salman's friend in the film and sticks by his side no matter what. Sunila as Vilaiti is that friend who helps Bharat through difficult times but also is someone who makes him laugh in situations. Besides their adorable banter, as Bharat and Vilaiti when they are sailors is bound to make you laugh till your jaws hurt. From joining the circus together in 1960s to getting old together, Vilaiti never leaves Bharat's side and proves to be a true friend. The engaging and emotional bond of a man with his family portrayed beautifully. Ali Abbas Zafar manages to hit home with an emotional story of a father and son separated due to the partition of India with Bharat. The film aspects of Bharat is what makes the film connect with everyone. For all those who witnessed the trauma of separation from their loved ones back in 1947 due to partition, Bharat brings back those memories but with a happy ending that makes the experience worth living. Ali beautifully captures Salman as Bharat and Katrina as Kumud through his lens, and their love story adds a sweet touch to the emotional story. Moreover, at the center of it, the story is about the love of a man for his family and sacrifice he makes over the years for everyone. What do you think about this video? do let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Telechakkar for more such updates.